How to delete your blog on Tumblr. What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to delete your blog permanently on Tumblr. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. First thing you want to do is open up your web browser and simply search for Tumblr and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you land on the homepage of your Tumblr, you can find your account section on the left side of your screen. Click on this drop down, and here you will find a list of all of your blogs and posts. So just tap on the blog that you want to delete. Now on the right side, you have different options for blogs. Click on it and then click on the blog settings. Now once your blog settings is open, scroll down all the way to the bottom until you find this option delete blog. Now click on your delete blog option. Here you will just have to provide your email and password just to confirm, and then click on delete. And once you do that, you should be able to delete your blog permanently. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.